Fiber-optic hot stripping pliers. Product list. Long press to power on, short press to switch modes. Automatic heating upon startup. Multi-level temperature regulation. Suitable for bundle fiber, bare fiber, ribbon fiber, invisible fiber. Full battery life of 4 hours. 6-minute automatic shutdown reduces safety hazards. Sharp blade, non-destructive fiber stripping. Type-C charging port is convenient and fast. Brush for safe cleaning of adhesive layer. Shockproof packaging box protects the hot stripping pliers.